With the L3 retakes, you want to make sure that you have a common denominator. And so when you are adding or subtracting with common denominators, you're going to keep that denominator for your answer, and then just subtract the numerator. So 6 minus 6 would give us 0. Then you can simplify at the end. So 0 over 12y to the third will give you 0 for a final answer. Either one would be acceptable. So if you move on to the next one, you're going to have the 12y squared for your denominator again, and you're going to take 5y minus 4x. Now we can't subtract anything because they do not have the same variable, so actually this would be our final answer. Moving on to question 5, our denominator is going to be 10b, and we're going to have 5a minus 3 on top. There's nothing that we can simplify with this, so this would be our final answer. Moving on to the next one, we've got 30n minus 5, and then we have to distribute this subtraction sign, so we actually have 6 minus n minus a negative 2, which would be plus 2. So that's going to give us 6 plus 2 is 8 minus n over 30n minus 5. You could write it this way if you wanted. 8 minus n over, I could take out a 5, and then it would be 6n minus 1. Either one would be acceptable. With number 9, the easiest thing that you want to do is factor everything first. So the bottom two numbers that multiply to give you 5, but add to give you 6, it's going to be 5 and 1. So our common denominator is x plus 5 times x plus 1. You can write that already in there. And then I'm going to add my numerators. I've got 3x plus 5 plus x plus 4. So we'll combine like terms at the end. Our 3x plus x gives us 4x, and the 5 plus 4 gives us 9 over our common denominator. There's nothing we can simplify, so we're going to leave it in that form. Now number 11 is tricky because of the subtraction sign, so you want to make sure you're paying attention as you do this. We've got our common denominator of 2x squared plus 6x minus 56, and on top we've got x minus 1, and then we've got a minus x minus negative 8 or plus 8. So that would give us x minus x cancels out, negative 1 plus 8 gives us 7. On the bottom we could pull out a 2, which would leave us with x squared plus 3x minus 28. And you can leave it in that form.